In this video, I will show you how to get your TikTok account back after deleting it. This works for both Android and iOS. You need this app called TikTok Bypass. What it does is it bypasses the USA ban and gives you access to TikTok. To do that, go to pluginsurf.com and search for TikTok. You will see the TikTok Bypass app. Tap on it and select Start Installation. Wait for the installation process. You will need to select 2 games to play in order to unlock the app, though. The first game, Travel Town, requires level 9 to unlock, so tap on it and go download the game, play it to level 9, and move on to the second game of your choice. In my case, it is Dice Dreams. Getting to level 5 Kingdom will allow me to unlock the app. Go back to Plugin Surf and it will check if you met those criteria. Once it does, you can finally complete the TikTok installation progress, and the TikTok app will show up on your phone. The games can take up to 30 minutes depending on how quick you are. Thanks for watching.